Radius is a British group of global reach. We are a manufacturer of innovative systems dedicated mainly to the transmission of gas and water. Radius is also one of the world's major manufacturers of polyethylene pipes, both the large diameter ones used in urban channels and microducts for telecommunications that contain only a single optical fiber. The pipes we have produced could be used to bundle the earth multiple times. Thanks to our locations in England, Poland, the United Arab Emirates and China, our products reach customers virtually all over the world. Gas transmission imposes a number of additional requirements related to the tracking and recording of quality control at virtually all stages of production and maintenance. With the expansion of our business, access to collected data was becoming more and more burdensome. We needed to streamline our processes. We sought to manage the entire product lifecycle as well as device certification and auditing at the installation sites. We had two options: either look for an off-the-shelf system or order custom software. We know that no ready-made solution would meet our requirements. Also, estimates and deadlines for the delivery of the system we received from software houses were unacceptable. In addition, building an IT system usually means huge expenses, months or years of work, and a high risk of failure. We often heard about successive failures of IT system implementations which occur despite enormous budgets and the involvement of large teams. The complexity of this project lay in the fact that the system had to encompass not only our company, but also our sub-suppliers, implementation partners, and finally our customers. As it turned out, there is a third party, and it was a discovery for us. We came across Productive24, a platform which automates the process of building IT systems and speeds up the delivery by several times. Productive24 has solved both our and our customers' problems. We've been provided with a cloud solution that fully meets our needs. In addition, quickly and within the original reasonable budget, smaller by orders of magnitude than the costs of dedicated solutions developed by software houses. With Productive24, creating IT systems is easy. The whole process involved mainly two people, me and an analyst from Productive24. The entire effort of building the system was limited to concluding the analyst. It was enough to discuss our needs with one person on the supplier side. I was therefore spared the tedious process of documenting the requirements, the genuine risk of imprecise documentation, misunderstandings, and finally the rising costs that might ensure. What I like in particular was the fact that the changes and modifications were introduced continuously in accordance with our suggestions and did not affect the budget of the project. The system is so intuitive that there was no need for user training. A simple manual was enough. Today, Productive24 is already used in many countries, including China and the United Arab Emirates. The solution works on web as well in iOS, Android and Windows 10 platforms. It can also work offline, which is especially important for our field employees. The system is efficient, flexible and has an open structure, which is crucial for adding new modules. I think the solution has given us a leading position in the sector in terms of transparency in quality control.
The entire implementation was carried out remotely. I configured the system myself, without the participation of a team of programmers. It took me about 30 working days to complete the entire configuration.
As of today, I can highly recommend Productive24. It is over half a year since the implementation of the system, and we are invariably satisfied with the cooperation with the supplier. The platform has served a very special type of industry and a specific business requirement. In line with the provider's commitment, we received a system adjusted to our requirements within the agreed time. The contact was transparent and favored us, the client, rather than the supplier, which is rare in the IT industry. The agreement basically secured the interests of one party, that is ours, and was acceptable to us practically without negotiations. It is worth noting that the Productive24 innovation is not offered by a startup which may cease to exist in a year or two. A leader is a stable company operating on the market for over a dozen years with international implementations in more than 80 countries.